You don't need a dedicated home theater to achieve a cinema experience in your house. In fact, upgrading a few specific things might make a bigger difference than you'd imagine. The best place to start is by optimizing your living room TV setup. Nowadays, high-quality 4K TVs are more affordable than ever, even larger ones, so chances are you already have a pretty decent one. If not, I'd suggest starting with planning and saving up for that first, as it should be a priority. Once you're happy with your TV choices, it's time to take it to the next level. That's where SVS comes in, with their high-quality speaker systems. We have used SVS speakers in our home theater for a while now, and absolutely love the quality and overall value they bring. But now, we've also brought these into our living room setup to fully transform it and show you how you can do it as well. Thank you to SVS for sponsoring this video and sending us these 3 speakers and subwoofer for review. It is easy to fall into the trap of spending hundreds on an okay soundbar. It's usually the cheaper option with a simple plug-and-play setup and an overall low profile that can fit into any space. This might be enough for many people's living rooms, and I don't expect everyone to drop a lot of money on audio equipment on a whim. It is sadly expensive, and you're going to need a bit more information in order to properly connect everything. That said, having proper speakers instead of a soundbar really does make such a huge difference, especially if you want a true cinema experience when it comes to watching movies at home. I want to go over some features of these speakers from SVS today and try to show you why it might be worth considering ditching the soundbar for these. There are many different budget tiers for speakers, so please don't feel like you have to spend thousands to get a good experience. These are just one of many options. With that said, let's take a look at what we decided to go with for our living room. Next to our TV, and probably the most eye-catching part of the speaker system, are our 2 Ultra Evolution Pinnacle towers. We got them in white, but swapped out the front-facing covers for black ones that we had left over from our home theater speakers. This was purely because we liked the custom look of it a bit more, and it fit the setup better. The Ultra Evolution Pinnacles are the flagship tower speakers from SVS, and might be a bit overkill, but we love them. These are the main units, so to speak. They do most of the heavy lifting and are the biggest upgrade you can do compared to a soundbar. They have a diamond-coated aluminum 1-inch dome tweeter for amazing acoustics and smooth high frequencies without distortions, which is what creates that overall great and full sound. That's not all they do though, as each one also has a dual 5.25-inch mid-range driver. Mid-range drivers are used to give you perfected tonal accuracy by improving clarity and reducing any distortion within the, mid-range, which is typically from around 300 Hz to 3 kHz. This allows the subwoofer and tweeter to handle the lower and higher frequencies, which avoids loss of detail. The Ultra Evolution Pinnacle towers alone cover frequencies between 24 Hz to 40 kHz. They also use something called a 3-way crossover, which makes sure you get an uncompromising crossover between the tweeter, mid-range driver, and subwoofer. The lower frequencies are, as mentioned, handled by the subwoofer. While we have a separate subwoofer that I'll talk about in a minute, these towers also have built-in ones. They are quad 8-inch glass fiber woofers that are dual opposing active woofers. That means that they sit on top and bottom of the towers for accurate low frequencies and great sounding bass. Stopping at just investing in high-quality tower speakers like these will give your setup a huge audio upgrade. But let's take it a step further by looking at this Ultra Evolution center speaker. Center speakers help the sound fill the room in a way that no matter where you sit or stand, you'll have a great listening experience. Good sound doesn't just mean loud though, it also means precise and intentional. Center speakers are a perfect way to improve the clarity of sounds like voices. It really helps make dialogue come out a lot clearer and easier to distinguish. This one from SVS specifically has a true 3-way driver and crossover design with a broad sweet spot, which basically just means that you'll get that perfect sound throughout different seating positions in the room. Similar to the tower speakers, it has a combination of tweeters, mid-range drivers, and subwoofers. Specifically, it has a 1-inch tweeter, a 4.5-inch mid-range driver, and dual 6.5-inch woofers that combine cover frequencies of 40 Hz to 40 kHz. I'm sure you can start imagining just how great these speakers sound when paired together. Let's talk about the final piece of the puzzle, the freestanding subwoofer that we decided to add to really push the system. This is the SB17-Ultra R Evolution subwoofer. While the other tower speakers and center speaker are the same models that we have in our home theater, this subwoofer is actually an improvement over the one we used there. The difference is that here, we went with one subwoofer compared to the two that we have in the theater. Now you don't need an additional subwoofer in your setup, as the other speakers already have built-in ones, so treat this as an optional, yet very impactful addition. This model has a 17-inch driver and dual 8-inch voice coils, driven by a really powerful amplifier. The amplifier is, in fact, currently the most powerful one in consumer subwoofers, so it's definitely a bit overkill, but it really does make everything sound incredible. It handles all those low frequencies we talked about with amazing accuracy and quality, especially when it comes to music. This isn't just important when you want to play background music, it's also for movie soundtracks. It handles frequencies as low as 15 Hz, which is actually lower than the typical 20 Hz that humans can hear. While you can't hear frequencies that low, it'll still give off vibrations and rumbling. All that, paired with the powerful components, will definitely give you that room-filling bass to complete the audio experience. Now you can go even further with your audio setup by adding surround sound speakers. We haven't done that for our living room setup yet, but it is something we'll look into once we move into our new house, so stay tuned for that. Finally, you need something that connects and controls all of this equipment together, a receiver. We used the Marantz Cinema 50 both in this setup and in our home theater, and it works perfectly. It's a premium 9.4 channel AV receiver with Dolby Atmos and 8K capabilities. It's also not insanely expensive, but it will handle all of this powerful audio equipment without issues. Yes, great audio equipment is expensive, but it's such a better experience than sticking with a soundbar. It is also a long-term investment, as they can last 20 years or more. That's a long time, especially compared to other tech such as a phone or a gaming console. If you can afford to, I highly recommend looking into what will work for the type of setup you're building. And remember, you can build a great audio setup with smaller and more affordable gear too. We just like to go overboard. There's also nothing wrong with slowly upgrading your audio gear in stages over time. If you're curious about SVS products, check out the description below for more info. And of course, see what other brands are out there and compare the best option for you. Personally, we adore the quality from SVS and are really excited to have brought the cinema experience into our living room. Thanks so much for watching the video all the way to the end. We hope that you learned something new and interesting about sound systems. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments and we'll try to cover them in a future video. Consider subscribing to the channel if you don't want to miss upcoming videos too. We have a lot of content planned that covers our move into our new house, where we will redo all of our setups, bigger and better. We also post daily short-form content on YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and TikTok at CamXPetra for more bite-sized videos. You can also check our website at CamXPetra.com for links to everything we use for our setups too. Until next time, bye.